Hello viewers, welcome to Core for Any. Maintenance service apps inside today we need to develop here the login OTP UI we need to develop here. First of all, we need this here the some previous video inside the playlist inside the developing here the pop-up layouts or the using here the routes. Now first of all we need to reuse here. Now need to open this here the our GitHub profiles here and now need to select here the repository and this is the URL for the here and now need to go here the taxi driver flutters and we need to go inside the common widget folders. Now go first of all the lib folders, then select here the common widgets and need this here the pop-up layouts codes. Now need to copy this here the raw files and now need to create here the pop-up layouts common widgets inside, create here the new files and to give this here the name pop-up layout underscore layout dot dots and now need to paste this all codes and need to save here and now need to black color to need to set here the white colors opacity we need to set here 0.3 like this configures because we need to black shadow need to showing, that's why we need to not black into white showing, that's why I need this here. First of all need to see this UI inside the HD files. Now need to showing here look like this showing here the OTP pickers UI need to show. Now need to developing like this UI. Now first of all now need to create here the new files and to give this here the name login OTP screen dot dots and now need to create here the stateful widgets and to give this here the name login OTP screen and now need to set here imports here the material dependency. Now creates here the containers and to give this here the width and height so need to provide here context dot width need to put full width and also need to give this here the height context dot height need to set here the multiply by 0.7 and need to give this here the heights not fix. Create here childs, create here the containers columns and now need to set here the cross axis alignment set as a center and set here the minimum size main axis size set here the minimums and now need to create here the decoration first of all and to set here the padding font edges inset symmetric we need to set here the horizontal 15s and verticals also need to set here the 15 like this configures. Now create here the decorations box decorations colors color white colors white. Now need to set here the border radius circulars 25 and give this here the box shadow const edges insets need to setting here the box shadow colors color black 12 and need to give this here the blur radius need to set here the tens like this settings here and to configure. Now needed image need to put here need to drag and drop here. I have already put this image here so now need to use copy relative path and now need to set here the image sets give this here the name and to set here the width 17 and height to 17 and to set here the and to set here the some height sides height space set here the 15. Now need to write down here the text, and you need to write down here the enter 4 digit code, and to set here the styles, text styles. Colors we need to set here the T color. Secondary text colors we need to set here, and so on to set this here the font size. Need to check inside the XD files. 12 regulars we need to set here like this, and set here the cost value. Now we need this here the one plugins for the OTP pickers. We need to set here. Need to write down here the Flutter OTP text fields. We need to import here. Now need to find out here in browsers, pubdev, and to write down here the Flutter OTP text fields. We need these plugins, and we need to install here. First of all, install versions. Copy here this value, and need to paste here. Now need to copy here the text. Need here. Copy this text and to put here inside the OTP screen. Like here's imports here this text fields, and to set here the border colors, T color, secondary text, show text fill box true, on change, on show pop-ups, no needs, need to clean here. Now first of all, mobile OTP screen, answer here the next inside. Need to write down here the navigator dot push, and we need to context and route inside past this here the pop layout, and to pass this here the login OTP screen, and set here the const value like this sets here. Now need to run first of all, and to develop here the buttons, give this here the some height space, and to write down here the text buttons on this event, set here the text, copy here, and we need to write down here the primary text, and to button names need to set here the resend like here, and also font 12 regulars like this sets. Now simulator is runs. Now need to click on the OTP logins and click on next buttons, and look like this here the showing this here the UI, and need to fix this here the box. Need to set here the field as a force. Need to set here. Now need to check here the another property, width and height. So need to give this here. Give this here the field width. Need to set here the 50, and field heights also give this here the 15. And now need to check this here the another property, border width. Need to not needs disables border colors focus on submit enable focus fill colors. Need to use this here the fill here true, and filled colors color dot like this sets, and to see this here the UI, and we need to give this here some space between here, and need to increase this here the 100, and also need to changing this here the padding verticals 25, and set here the change here the font size need to 15 is good. Also increase the space 25, and also here, and look like this here the UI displaying goods, and to similar to our UI need to developing this done. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.